everyone, my name is Feya, I'm a English teacher. I'm just going to show you how to do construction or building at home by using everyday items, everything you have at home. We can use it for building. And then I'm going to start with a tin, a can, open can. Make sure that the edge is very smooth so that your children doesn't get hurt with this. And then we can build with this. We have this, and this can also lead to counting like 1, 2, 3. And then they can learn new words with it because all fall down, and then we can all start all over again. And then we can use the CD that you don't want at all. We can use it for the building to support it. And then this will encourage your children to see their reflection on it as well as fun. And this is another way of building. And this time is not knocking over. And then I have some blue roll holder. It can be toilet roll or kitchen roll holder for building or rolling again. And then we build again. It's going higher. And then higher. Oh no, I'll fall down. That's that one. We can use our stereo boxes as well. Squiggle wobble. That's another plan for your children. Can be higher or lower depending on how you want it. Yeah. Or fall down. And then we have this bottle for building as well. We make it into 3. And the children love to knock things down. Look at that, they can even blow it and it goes down. Okay. Oh no, it's falling again. And then we have another box here for building. If you have a bigger box, the children love to go in the boxes and then you can move them around. Look at this, we can merge everything together to create more things that is very exciting for the children. Look at this, it's very interesting. Thank you, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.